Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility and preparing your account. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked, running supported iOS, and you have your Google account, FiSIM, or eSIM QR code. Once ready, back up your phone and sign into your Google account. Then open settings to remove any conflicting carrier profiles. This gets you straight into activation without wasting time. You need these steps complete, so the eSIM or physical SIM installs cleanly and Fi can provision service. Now you install the Fi profile. If using eSIM, open the Google Fi app or settings cellular, add cellular plan and scan the Fi QR. Follow prompts to label the plan. If using a physical SIM, shut down, insert the Fi SIM and restart. Once the plan appears, select it as your cellular line and enable Wi-Fi calling if prompted. Make sure cellular data is on. These steps let Fi provision your number and connect to partner networks seamlessly. Finish by confirming service works. Call someone, send an SMS, and browse. Then set your default voice and data lines in settings cellular, and confirm iMessage and FaceTime use your Fi number. Once done, update carrier settings if prompted and enable Wi-Fi calling and visual voicemail in the Fi app. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Toggle airplane mode, restart the iPhone, and if needed, remove and reinstall the eSIM or Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.